In this practice, you will insert a dynamic block and use grips to adjust its size. Open Assembly-M Drawing. Open the Tool palette if it's not already open. In the Mechanical tab, locate the block Hex Socket Bolt Side-Metric and note that it is a dynamic block. Drag and drop the hex socket block anywhere in the drawing. Using the Rotate command, rotate it 90 degrees and place it to any one side of the object. Zoom in on the hex socket block and set it to display the grips. Select the grips to open the list of sizes. Try several different sizes, then select M12. Use the square grip to move the bolt into one of the holes. Verify that the dynamic input is toggled on and select the arrow grip on the bottom end of the bolt shaft. Note the current length of the shaft, 60 millimeters, and the mark below the bottom end that displays the present increments. Stretch the shaft to the length of 75 millimeters. Using Control and the square grip, copy the bolt to the other hole. In this practice, you will add titles, a section callout, a graphic scale, and a north arrow to a layout. In another layout, you will insert and manipulate a detail layout grid. Open Bank Layout-A Drawing. Switch to the Plan and Sections layout. Open the Tool palettes if it's not already open. In the Tool palette Annotation tab, add the block drawing title Imperial under each of the viewports. Use the grip to stretch the title lines so that they extend to the full length of the viewports. Add the block Section Callout -Imperial at the right side of the floor plan view. Use the grips to rotate and stretch it so it cuts through the building. Add the block Graphic Scale -Imperial to the floor plan view near the right side of the drawing title block of the floor plan. Click the List grip to display the list and select one of the scales. Add the block North Arrow -Imperial near the top side of the floor plan and modify the angle of the geometric arrow. Modify the angles of the other arrows and move their labeling along with them. Switch to the Details layout. Insert Block Detail Layout Grid -Imperial in the lower left corner. Using the AutoCAD Scale command, scale the block by a scale factor of 8. Modify the block using the grip in the upper right corner, which enables you to create an array of 6 detail grids. Move the array as required to the center of the sheet.